Hello, hello. This is Notary Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, I hope you are having an amazing weekend. Listen, I want to share something with you guys. I am normally the most upbeat, positive, no matter what's going on person, right? And I have my days like everybody else. Ask a few people, they'll tell you. Anyway, today is one of those days where Kim is taking off this and putting on Detroit, okay? She really took me there. So I had this client, phone call, first phone call came in at 9:30. Hey, I need to get an I-9 completed. Okay, sure. What time is good for you? Can I come at 12? Okay, that's fine. And I hesitated when I told her 12 because I knew I really wanted to be somewhere at 1. So I said, okay, fine. You can come at 12. So I ended up making a strategy call with somebody around 12 o'clock. I realized, I said, oh, hey, I'm sorry, I have to wrap this up. A strategy call is just someone who really is interested in doing their business, their notary business, and they may call and say, hey, what do I need to do next? What's my next steps? So I'm doing one of those calls. Around 12 o'clock, like I said, I realized, I said, oh, I got to get my client. So she texted me and said, hey, can I come at 12:15? So don't forget, now I already wanted to be somewhere at 1 o'clock. And I told her that this morning when I was making her initial appointment, because I was kind of hemming and hawing. I was like, ooh, 12. And she said, well, it's only an I-9. I have my passport, one of those kinds. She know my job better than me. I said, okay, well, she was right because it wasn't going to take me that long to do it. But then I call her at 12:10. I'm at one end of the road. She's 20 minutes to the opposite end of the road. And I said, there's no way you're going to be here at 12:15. Oh, I know. I misjudged the time. Oh, really? Okay. You couldn't call. You couldn't text. Like they said, you couldn't call nobody. So you guys know, again, customer service is big with me. I'm a Chick-fil-A person. I'm like, yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. My pleasure, kind of. That's how I do customer service, okay? Woo! So 12:15, like I said, she's telling me, oh, I'm sorry. So I'm headed out in her direction anyway. So I tell her, I said, okay, look. I said, I can meet you at 12:30 at the Target. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. And I got to thinking, and my husband kept egging it on. He was like, oh, I can't believe you even did that because you normally would have counseled on her. You know, somebody keep egging you on. So he kept doing that. He's like, I can't believe you even doing it. I can't believe you even doing it. I was like, he should have just told me, Kim, don't do it versus egging me on. Because the more he's talking, the more upset I'm getting. I'm like, I do not like people to disrespect my time. That is one thing. My time is very, very important. And now I've accommodated you not only once, but twice. Because remember, she's supposed to meet me at 12:15. She did not. Then I'm going to go and meet you. Right? So then my husband, after he keeps saying, oh, I can't believe you're doing it or whatever, I call her back. I said, you know what? I actually have to get to my 1 o'clock. I'm sorry. I don't have time for this. Not like that. I said, I don't have time. I have to be in my other appointment that I mentioned to you earlier. That's what I told her. Which was true. I had a 1 o'clock. So anyway, she says, well, I'll be there at 5. Can that work? Between 4 and 5. No, we need a set time because I'm mobile also. So she says, okay, 5 o'clock. I said 5 o'clock is good. And now it is actually 5:30. So I waited till about 5 after because I had something else to do. Tonight, I'm actually doing a Notarize Like a Pro training course, live training, and that starts at 6. So I like to log on a little bit early, make sure everybody can get on, right. So 5:05, I tell my husband, I said, if she does show, I text her. I gave her the 5:07. I said, if she does show, we are not helping her today. There is no service for her. Okay? So I sent her a text very nicely. I said, hey, I said, hello. I said, unfortunately, we will have to reschedule your appointment. I said, my timing and my schedule is very, very structured. So I didn't hear nothing back from her. I went to do my elliptical 10 minutes because, like I said, I'm about to do a training class. So I like to do something 10 minutes, some kind of exercise. I know I'm on a healthy weight loss journey. If you have not checked out my weight loss channel, check it out. It's called Healthy Life with Kimmy. And over there, I document my weight loss journey. Doing pretty good, y'all. Down 17 pounds as of today. 17. And I'm sweating a little bit as I'm talking because I just finished my elliptical. So anyway, so I tell him, do not open the door. He said, what if she rings it twice? The door is not being opened today, okay? She's not getting service. So then she texts me and says, oh, I'm so sorry. I just woke up. I had fallen asleep. Excuse me? You know you got a 5 o'clock appointment. This is 3 times today we've been trying to make an appointment for a $40 job. I was only charging her $40 because she's supposed to come to me. I was only charging her 40. I'm thinking about raising my prices too on that I-9. If you have not checked out my new I-9 training, please check it out. If you already have the course, you will see the revision, okay? And if you already know how to do the I-9, it's not a big change, but I have included in there how to do the re-verification process. So if you do not know how to do the I-9, except for the state of California, because you have to have a little bit more training, insurance, and bonding, and all kind of stuff. Any other state, though, please check out the course. And it is 60% off at NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. And I would recommend you add that business to your service. That service to your business. Okay. This is not being edited, guys. This is real talk. So anyway, let's wrap up this story. So anyway, she texted me about her being asleep. So she says, well, I'll try to catch up with you tomorrow. You can try, but I don't want to do business with her. Y'all see my glasses fogging up? My glasses fogging up a little bit. So I don't want to do business with her. I don't. So I didn't tell her I wasn't going to service her tomorrow. I still may. I may not. I have a bad taste in my mouth. And people like her, when they just keep on changing or disrespectful of your time. And I'm going to tell y'all this. Now, don't laugh. Don't judge. Don't nothing. Okay? Real talk. So my husband hear her talking on the phone. She's talking like this. Yes, I have a 3 o'clock meeting. And, oh, I have all this, right? So he could hear her on the phone. He said he could probably sum up what type of person she was, her personality. And it was kind of a dismissiveness that she had even about missing the appointment. You know, like, oh, it's just a notary. She's just a notary. She ain't got nothing else to do. That ticks me off because I am not just a notary. I'm waiting around doing $300,000 house jobs, okay? Mortgage documents, wills, power of attorneys. I don't have time to play with you. Now, in her world, she's thinking, oh, she really needs this $40. She's going to do what I want her to do. She don't know nothing about my business. She knows nothing about me because I am quick to tell you where you can go as far as my time is concerned, okay? Now, again, you are seeing a different side. This is real life. This is real talk. But I didn't appreciate that. So what would you have done? Would you have let her make another appointment with you? Wasting more of your time? So I talked to her at 9 o'clock, 12:15, 5 o'clock. I don't want to talk to you that much, and I've not made any money off of you. And you're holding on my schedule. I'm holding times and slots for you. I'm putting other things on hold for you. Okay? Again, I don't normally vent like this because I don't usually run my business like this. And I can't allow someone else to treat my business like this. You understand what I mean? We teach people how to treat us. So I think she might be like a no-go tomorrow. I'll tell you guys maybe what happened on Monday because I plan to put this out on Saturday. If you have not already signed up for the free Notary Monday meetup, check that out. We meet every Monday now. It's going to be 8 o'clock this week because all of us, the ladies and myself, have another appointment. But it's going to be at 8 o'clock, and sign up for that. It's completely free. And the last Monday was amazing. The video went out on Friday. The replay, just amazing to see everybody helping each other. You know, a lot of times people are like, I need mentorship. Sometimes I think we're at a point now we need to move on besides mentorship. We need to know what we need to do. We need to start executing. And the group of people that were on there the other day, some were new. It's not just a Q&A. We are actually dropping gems, okay? And growing businesses. That's what we're doing. And it's free. You ain't gonna find that nowhere else, I don't think. So anyway, guys, until next time, this is Notary Life with Kimmy. Again, if you're new to my channel, disregard what's going on, like the attitude today, because this is not normally how I roll in my business. But today was just extreme. I can't believe it. Even as I keep telling y'all about it, it was just extreme. You know, 3 different appointments. And then you like, I was asleep. I have a meeting. I was just like, who you think you are? And like I said, I really felt a dismissiveness in her attitude and her tone towards me. And it was funny. I know I said I was wrapping this up. It was funny because normally that type of person, I probably would have cut her off in the beginning. I really would have. But again, I just was trying to go above and beyond, as I always do. I always try to go above and beyond. But in this case, she was doing what they say the most. Okay? And then, like I said, Anyway, let me go because I got to get ready to put on my good me for the class that I'm about to teach. I can't take that energy over there. It's not their problem that she was acting crazy today. Well, anyway, guys, what would you have done? I want the truth. What would you have done? Now, I may not be able to reply to everybody. I'm going to try. But share in the comments. That way your other notaries will know what to do when somebody stand you up 3 times. Okay. Bye, guys. Until next time, this is Notary Life with Kimmy.